floppy number 6. Give me a second. I always take the chopper because I'm afraid I'll get an infected box and then I'll have to put it on the chopper, and I don't want to just go there, use energy or whatever. So, as a precaution, I always take the chopper. Okay, not far. It's either always here or here, which is very, very far. Just as yesterday. Because yesterday I can't remember. Jesus. I know. Jesus. I have the animal lover because I went hunting a few hours ago. Jesus. Wait, give me a second. Okay, jeez. Oh my god, my first infected box! Yes! Oh my god, that's so excited. Wow. Okay. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I just told you guys that I hadn't got an infected box. This is my first one ever. That's so cool. Oh my lord. Come on, put it. Oh my. Is there a difference between an infected box and a regular box? I wonder. So, I can't open it. But why didn't I take things from the bunker? I'm an idiot. You know what? Give me a second. I'm not sure if to go to the bunker and then home, or just to go home and put the infected in the acid box. It will be smarter to go first to there. Hello. Thank God I know from other gamers that I need to put the infected box in an acid bath. Think about people that don't know and they're playing it without like help from other gamers and other YouTubers and the Discord, and they don't know that you're supposed to, that you can get an infected box or you know that stuff. Thank God I know. Can I take something, put it in here? No. Okay, so it will be, wait, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, no, almost. Okay, can I give up on something? Yeah, I can come back and put the other stuff in the chop. Sorry, I know. I'll put that in the chopper, and then I'll go back home. We put it in the acid bath. If I can skip it. No, I don't think I can skip it. I don't have any coins. So I have to wait. How long are you supposed to wait? Because I'm talking to myself here. Let's put all the good stuff in here. Come on, dude. Thank you. And let's go back. You probably guys can skip like 20-30 seconds ahead if you reach this level. Shh. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Wait. No, not that box. I accidentally forgot to clear the bunker a few days back, and I've left like a few things, not valuable things, but some things. It was very funny. Okay, let's see if I can, yep. You know what, let's drink it. Okay. That's it. Yeah, and it's fucked up. And it's so long, so far. Excuse me, not long, far. No way I'm going there right now. I need to clear to do a bit of stuff. Updates in 4 hours. Yeah, I can do. I'll be able to do the farm again in a few hours. Cool. The farm, the photo is so fun to do. You need to kill them before you open the box, because if you open the box and they're not, most of them dead, or the zombies and the bulls and all that stuff. Okay. The acid is here in that home. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my. Ooh. Do I even have? No, I have one. Sorry guys. Let me think about what to do. I can't buy the coins if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. I removed my credit card because I spent way too much money on this goddamn game. So yeah. Not sure what to do, not sure what to do. You know what? Give me a second. I have